Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by creating a separate profile so data stays organized. Click the profile avatar in the top right, then choose Add. Name the profile and pick an avatar that's clearly different. This helps you tell profiles apart at a glance. Once done, decide whether to sign in with a Google account. Signing in enables sync across devices and preserves bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. If you prefer local separation, skip sign-in. Either way, you've taken the first concrete step toward profile isolation. Now configure the new profile so it serves its purpose. You can switch profiles from the profile menu quickly. Make sure to test by opening a site to confirm isolation. Install only the extensions you need in that profile because extensions, cookies, and local storage stay profile-specific. Then go to Settings Sync to choose which data types follow this profile. Bookmarks, passwords, and history are common choices. Once set, your work and personal browsing won't interfere, and recovery via Google Sign-In becomes straightforward. Finish by customizing behavior so the profile fits your routine. Set Startup to continue where you left off or open a set of pages. Pin the profile to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. Create profiles for specific workflows, work, personal, or app testing, to keep cookies and extensions separate. If something goes wrong, such as missing bookmarks or extensions, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that sync is enabled for the missing data type. Signing out and back often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.